Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device, so basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the accounts. Obviously here we've got a Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me tap on it, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on add account. Choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What is also quite cool is that you do not have to enter the full, you do not have to enter full email address, simply the first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will automatically fill the rest. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it if you want to, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept, and as you can see, our Google account has been immediately added to this list. Of course, if you want to, you can add another without the need to remove the previous one, but if you want to do it, simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. Probably, and as you can see, we just got back, the account has been removed, but probably if you've got the screen lock like pattern, PIN or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your MOTOROLA Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.